Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable close friends list on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner. Now tap on close friends. Here you will see a suggestion list. And if your friend list is bigger, then you can search for the person you want to add. Now to add a person on your close friend list, tap on add beside their name, and that person will be added as your close friend on Instagram. When you are done, tap on create list at the bottom of the screen. And that's how you can enable close friend list on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.